Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change TikTok region in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to change TikTok region, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first, I recommend you have to make some settings. So you have to open your app store here, go for search, and you have to simply search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find any pending updates, try to update your TikTok app and then go back. Open settings here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after that, you have to also refresh your network settings by enabling and disabling your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. So now you can easily change your TikTok region without any issue. So open your TikTok app here, tap on the profile option in the bottom right corner, tap on three dots in the top right corner, select settings and privacy, tap on account, then tap on account information, then select account region. Now you can easily change region from here just selecting that, but there's a requirement to change your region. If you want to change region for your TikTok account, so you have to use your TikTok in that region for almost 60 days, or you can also use a VPN for this purpose. So if you are not in that country, or if you're in that country, for example I'm in Pakistan, so here you just have to select the country or region which you want to select, and after that your country or region will be successfully changed in your TikTok account. So in this way you can easily change your TikTok region. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.